Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough, it's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
The largest university in Bangkok, and they have this big event, so it's kind of interesting because a lot of the students are here today and they're all kind of everywhere watching the event. And we're going to walk through the crowd and we're going to give you an idea of what the students look like in Bangkok, just because we're going to be going through the crowd. So we're going to basically follow the music down that way through the crowd and film it. So that'll be kind of interesting, I think. So let's stay tuned for that. Okay, Bangkok. So you just got to see some preview of this really cool little festival. All the college students are in this area. Not very often you get to see like be able to walk into a space like that with just tons of young people enjoying a nice day out in the park like that with some live music. So that's basically what that was. And let's put that up on the map so you can see exactly where that was at. And as you can see, it's near a very prominent university. So with that being said, let's go into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk around with the camera, and then you can hear me, experience it firsthand as I'm actually there. Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so we are going to attempt to walk through this busy crowd of people while a music conference is going.
ตื่นเต้นมาหลายเพลงแล้วพี่ทีเพลงหน้าผมโยนความตื่นเต้นให้พี่ทีบ้างนะฮะเพลงต่อไปพี่ทีจะเป็นคนร้องนะฮะส่งเสียงดังๆให้กับพี่ทีนะฮะอร่อย
เรียกได้ว่ากดดันเลยนะครับแต่นี้
คนประมาณ10,000 คนรอดูพี่ทีอยู่นะฮะ
อันนี้ทุกคนนับได้เร็วมากเลยครับ
So it's kind of interesting because, for one, a lot of parts of Bangkok you don't really see all the students so much. But we are right next to the university, so this is kind of the spot. So we're gonna stroll through, try to get an idea of what it's all about. Out of here with the music in the background, but it's kind of interesting. You can see a lot of students everywhere. Another little taste of Bangkok, just kind of walking through and seeing what it looks like. Okay. A nice park too. Nice park with good music. Lots of people everywhere today. It's a Saturday. June, I'll label it down below accordingly. June 24, I believe. 2024. Got some nice lakes over there. Good music. Lots of people. Okay, so you got a little taste of the university area. So lots of people over there. This is kind of interesting over here. So it's kind of a, I think it might be part of the university. I think we can go straight through. It's kind of cool with all these shops, but I also like the fact that there's people sitting up there too. Actually, there's like Starbucks in here too. There's like coffee shops, all kinds of interesting stuff. We might walk in here just briefly. I don't know if I can film in here or not, but we're gonna film nonetheless. Kind of a nice indoors, outdoors barbershop. Phonics up there. Sun is coming through. Starbucks over there. I'm just gonna walk down to the end here, and this just gives you another idea of what's in Bangkok and kind of the coolness of the city. Dragon Town. So all the live music is over there, and over here is all these restaurants.
ขอเช็คก่อนวันนี้ใครมาเป็นคู่นะใครมาเป็นคู่นะเยอะมากเยอะมากอันนี้เป็นคู่ที่เพิ่งเจอกัน
Getting a little slice of the university area. Oh, looks like there's more over here. Wow, okay. Well, that's a whole other area to film right there. Anyways, I'm gonna do this separate, this street right here. So we basically just filmed the student area and that up there, and a little bit of this I'm Park. And we're going to film this street separately in another Bangkok video.